Alright YouTube, today we're gonna do another unboxing. It's still Vein Bmx. It's my brother's parts. Let's get started. Alright, so we have here a box within a box. So this first part here, they give you some stickers. These are some forks. Is the amber Hexum forks, I believe. 3/8 dropouts. Super nice and blue. They also give you some stickers. Give you some stickers with it, so that's pretty nice. They also ordered some pedals. These are just Ezra pedals. And blue as well. Very nice. Alright, and then this one more box in here. Damn, this thing is light. This is a front rim. It's an Ezra front rim in gold, female axle. Super nice. Alright, now this is how it's all mounted up. Everything's been installed. Looks pretty nice with the blue and the gold and the white ball on it. Alright, thanks for watching.